Everybody doing out there? I'm introducing the overhead delt press, predominantly for the delts. This is what we're working, all right? Always remember this. Our seat level, adjust it up and down. You find your good spot, you stay in that spot. Mine is a 5. If you've seen the last videos, I'm pretty sure you know. So a 5 will be my good spot. Weight, you always want to make sure you have something that's effective. It's not actually too much, but you always want to feel the weight, not too much weight. Make sure your seat structure right. Grab her here, nice press up. Not too much. Slowly through the motion. Right there, back up. Let it down slow. Don't rush the motion. Then back up. Different variations. You grip her here, same flow. Straight up. Nice and slow. None of this stuff. All that rushing and all that. You don't want to do any of that. It's just nice, slow tempo. Take your time. You go through the range of motions. You want to feel it on the delt. That's the muscle you're targeting. If you don't feel it in your delts, please stop by any means. Either the seat's not right or something's not right. But you should always feel it in the muscle group that you're working. My muscle control is true. It is real. I promise you. So always focus on the muscle you're working and really try to get an effective, good pump. That's all it's about. Yeah. It's definitely about being effective and getting the gains that's necessary. Ultimately, always understand that. Only thing you're doing is trying to be a better version of yourself. We're not in competition with anybody. We're not comparing ourselves to anybody. Never compare your beginning to somebody's ending or middle or whatever, because you never know their story, their journey, or where they started at. Let's get healthy. If you want to get fit, tap in. Let's go.